Hello viewers, today we are discussing about the compare the hair dryer motor to the one you can build. Means a special motor has been designed in a hair dryer from any company, but you can also make or build the motor you want. So I am comparing with that motors. Alright, so here our motor, and there we talk about all of the different components in this motor, how they work. So I am gonna try to talk about the motor that we made here and show you how it's similar to the motor that we have here. So they are our permanent magnetic, and so they are just like they behaving just like this guy, which is permanent magnetic in our hair dryer motor, and there is a both opposing poles. So this is a north pole and this is a south pole magnetic, and so if you put them into next of each other, they will have a setup. They could wanna be a snap together, cause the opposite attractions, but those opposite poles are important. So that is armature, which is this guy, and represented by this coil. As they flips around, it continue to move. No commentator here is actually rather and a hand to see, but this copper wire here that we strips. So we strips away the insulation on a copper on this side, but left in this side. Now the insulation is actually clear and liqueur, so the hard and didn't scrape away within the knife. And so you mean that this section, so the copper wire is functioning just like a commutator here in our electric motor, and the brushless within the conduct conduces the electricity from a contact here in a commutator. Well, our wire is a functioning just like a bush, so the reconducting and electricity from our battery down our commutator or the wire, and that conducting the power through the coil or armature and then back into the back of a battery, then the componenting circuit. And so what they are doing, that's the creating an electromagnetic that is resisting the permanent magnetic that is here, and causing the device to spin around the turns our fans, just like this guy's turns to hair dryer motor. So let's to look at that work in our hair dryer and the motor. We have a switch. When turn it on to the fan, it starts spinning, and this is a one of the same happen. So you can motor the span there, and then you turn the switch on and off. It will be stop the spinning. In this module, I have clearly explained about the how our built-up motor works, and also a permanent magnetic pole motor works into the hair dryer motor. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering. Thank you.